seated until your TriceraTop comes to a complete stop. Then, make sure you have all your belongings and walk to the exit gate.
Hey Spinners, it's Chester here, reminding you for your safety to stay seated with that seatbelt fastened good and tight as you spin. Whilst you're spinning, keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside, and be sure to watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del dinosaurio. Cuide a los pequeñitos. Gracias.
Riders in the front row can use their lever to fly higher or lower. Riders in the back row can use their lever to tilt forward or backward. Ready? And let's go for a spin.
Alright, Spinners, and without any further delays, these dinos are gonna go up, and away. Must remain properly seated the entire flight. Thank you. Seated the entire flight.
It's the only way you rock and roll that old Christmas sleigh.
Looks like our little dinosaurs are landing, so please stay seated. When they come to a complete stop, make sure you have all your belongings and then walk to the exit gate. Bye-bye.
Welcome back, Spinners. As we exit those dinos, please make sure to grab all personal belongings, watch our step, and follow those exit signs to our one and only exit. And with all of our new Spinners, as a safety reminder, please say yes under the age of 7 towards the inside of our TriceraTops on a lap or in the front row with a supervising adult in the back row. Once the ride is in motion, we must remain seated with those seatbelts on at all times. Thank you.